Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install the Bitget mobile application. Now let us begin. Well, currently I am in the Android. Do you know that you can do this for the iOS as well? Right here I have opened up the Play Store. Now what I'm gonna do is simply click on the search button right here. Now I'm just gonna search for Bitget. Once you've done that, simply hit on enter. And guys, this is it. This is the application that you want to install. Do you know that you can directly install it by clicking on the install button right here? Else what you can do is simply click on the app icon. And from here, you can look at the different features provided by this application. But right now, all we want to do is install it. So let's simply hit on this install button right here. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the application is being installed. Do note that it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. Well guys, that's it. That's how you install Bitget on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.